date is February 6th, 2010, on Shadyside, and we received 12 to 18 inches of snow overnight. The sun is now shining. It's late in the afternoon. We got some really high snow drifts here. Brian came over to help me shovel. We're not 100% done yet. Even the fence has snow accumulation on it. Our garage roof started to have some collapsing of snow, so got some more shoveling to do there, as you can see. Walkway all clear. Trees in front of the house have drooped over significantly. Usually they're to the top of the door, so we're not sure if they're going to survive or not. Hopefully they will. And again, a lot of snow on the roof, so we have no idea how much is going to come down and how fast. Cliff has the saw out. Mind if I film you? Yeah.
I don't know if it's gonna make it.
Yeah. That's a big portion of that tree, huh?
Not looking too good.
Yeah. Man, it's amazing that snow can do that. You look very warm.
Got a busway down there is all clear too.
Is it?
Also that Ellsworth is still packed down.
Still packed, yeah. There's the house. And check out the street. Cliff and Ashley shoveled a little bit right here, but the rest of the street is completely covered. It's a frickin' winter wonderland. Wow, this thing has a good zoom. I can see Fred's face, like, clearly. Fred lives way far up the street. That is a good zoom.
Hoping that John can get out of the driveway so he has a date tonight.